everyone, class 8, subject English, book Honeydew. Today we will continue chapter 2nd, the tsunami. Yesterday we have read about what is a tsunami. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. It is occurred on 26th December 2004. A tsunami hit Thailand and the other parts of India like Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Tamil Nadu coast. We have read yesterday some stories of courage and survival. Today we have read about tsunami hit areas of Thailand. As well, the story is about the Smith family who came to southern Thailand from southeast England to celebrate Christmas at a beach resort. Okay, Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand. Though she has won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Why do you think they took the decision? Now, here is a story from Thailand. Let's start with our chapter. Penny and Colin Smith had two daughters. Tilly Smith, a 10-year-old schoolgirl, and the other one was 7 years old on the day of December 26, 2004. They had already experienced an earthquake in the morning. Now the tsunami was in its way. Penny Colin remembers seeing the water swelling as it kept coming in and coming the beach smaller. She says she did not understand what was happening. It means यहाँ पर Penny Smith remember the beach was getting smaller and smaller and she didn't know what is happening to them. So Tilly, on the other hand, knew that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she has taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. She could recollect what she had studied in her geography class back in England before 2 weeks. As she saw the sea water rising and forming whirlpools, she recalled what she had seen in her class. It was a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaii island in 1946. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them the tsunami can be caused by earthquakes. The teacher also told them the causes of tsunamis, which can be earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. Penny, I didn't know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach. As soon as she realized what was happening, she started shouting at her family to get away from the beach. Her mother later said that she was referring to some earthquake under the sea and she got terrified and uncontrollable. Penny said she did not know what a tsunami was, but seeing her daughter so terrified, she could anticipate that the situation was grave. It means situation is worse. So she took her daughters. Tilly's parents took their daughters to the hotel swimming pool to get away from the beach. The family took refuge in the 3rd floor of the hotel. The building was withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves if they had stayed the beach. Not have been alive. Penny screamed for everyone to run out of dangerous way. They took shelter on the 3rd floor. The hotel building survived 3 tsunami waves. She further added that they wouldn't have been able to come out alive had they been at the beach. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire families thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson. that they were forewarned. Tilly later retold the incident to her classmate in England. The Smith family later got the chance of meeting other tourists who had lost their entire families during the tsunami. It means Tilly family, Smith family later met on the other families who lost their family members. Where did look carefully at the picture. Look at this picture. The dog and a boy. Try to describe the things that you see using just verbs and phrases like it means this is how you can start calm blue sea ruined hearts before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka. It is believed that prior of the gigantic waves entering the coast of India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals knew what was ahead. They fled to safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outer. Flamingo abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. It means a few eyewitnesses gave a first-hand description of how elephants ran for higher ground as they screamed. Flamingos too left their low-lying breeding grounds. Zoo animals ran into their shelters, and no amount of temptation was able to bring them out. Even dogs refused to go outdoors. Many people believe that animal possesses a sixth sense. It means it is well known among people that animals are intuitive towards the earth shakings. Some experts are of the opinion that they can hear or feel earth's vibrations in advance because they possess enhanced acute hearing abilities. Long before humans realize what's going on. We can't be sure whether animals have sixth sense or not, but the fact is that giant waves that rolled through the Indian Oceans killed more than 150,000 people in dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. It means all around the world almost 150,000 people are dead, but not many animals were reported dead in the world. Along India's Kadalar coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. Even in India, where the waves took the lives of around 1,000 people, animals like buffalo, goats, and dogs were recovered unharmed. On the other hand, in Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, 60 visitors were washed away from the Pentagala beach inside the park, but no animal carcasses were found. It means no animals was dead except for 2 water buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Pentagala beach. Leopards Park serves as a home to a large number of animals like elephants, leopards, and around 130 species of birds. In fact, people present at the Yala National Park reported seeing 3 elephants run away from Pentagala beach at least an hour before the waves came in. It means probably it's said that animals have sixth sense. They knew already that the earthquake occurs, so they are refused suddenly to go out and also ran away from the beach areas and most probably saved their lives. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said, But on that day, they refused to go and most probably saved his life. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Gale said that his two dogs also refused to go on the beach. It means it said that earthquakes occurs, tsunamis, major highways to destruct human life, nature, and animals, but animals will be saved with their six senses. I hope you understand. There we finished our lesson. Thank you.